If people can actually spot your fillers, then something has gone wrong. Fillers do not announce themselves, they actually restore balance and harmony naturally.
Fillers are gonna be readable to age or even gender.
So actually fillers have multiple purposes. Unlike the name fillers, which means it's for filling, it's not only for filling, it is also for restoring balance and harmony. So in somebody who has a small chin, that could be at any age, they could be as young as 20, and you can put fillers in order to augment the chin or the jawline. Okay. If you're talking about anti-aging, when people lose volume with time, they sag with time. Fillers can also cause something known as liquid lift, where they can actually lift up the sagging tissues and they can fill up the lost volume which is there. So as we age, basically the fat atrophies or decreases, the bones actually decrease in volume. So you need to actually replace these volume loss. You need fillers, and the ligaments become loose where the skin sags. So you need to tighten these ligaments also. So hence fillers have many purposes.
People have a myth about fillers will be very visible. Is that true?
Yeah, this is the typical overfilled syndrome that we keep looking at on social media and keep hearing about it. Fillers should never speak, should never announce themselves, like I spoke earlier. Fillers have to be done subtly. Fillers have to be done in the right plane at the right time, and the right filler material has to be used. This requires a very, very detailed knowledge about the product, the anatomy of the face, and you have to understand the artistic value where each face is different and has to be carved out differently. Okay, do not think of fillers as just something which is used for anti-aging or filling. Think of it more like a scalpel or like a good tool in your hand or like a paintbrush where you're actually going to paint the entire face with every stroke, and that's where fillers, where the expertise comes in.
Is fillers reversible?
Absolutely. So today, what is approved in India, these are known as basically the temporary fillers, which are HA based. HA is a substance which is anyways present in all skin types. Okay, our skin is majorly made out of HA. These materials can easily be removed by a simple injection. So hence fillers are reversible. So worst comes to worst, you don't like the effect of the fillers, you do not need to worry or live with it. You can easily remove it in a few minutes.
Okay, if I remove my fillers, is going to be a difference on my case before doing it and after doing it?
Well, of course, if you've done fillers for a purpose, then and you remove the fillers, your face is going to look what it is just before you did the fillers. It's not that it changes your face or you look something different or you don't look yourself. You simply will look what you were looking before doing the fillers. So if I'm say doing it for nose, for bringing up the bridge of the nose, if I remove the filler, the nose will again look flat. Say if I'm doing it for filling up volume in the mid cheek, which happens with aging, if I remove the fillers, again the volume loss will show, and again you will show a little more older than what you desire or what you should look at. So it depends on the purpose at what you're using the fillers. But like I said again, if it's done by an expert person in a qualified hands, I'm sure these problems never come. So fillers are a tool, not a transformation. Subtle and natural results come from understanding the harmony and balance of every single face, the facial aesthetics, the product, and of course the anatomy. Do consult us to know more.